I immediately fell in love with portable monitors from the start, but none really made the cut for our team. So we made our very own. The simplest, most vibrant dual monitor on the market, offered in two sizes, 14 and 15.6 inches. It hooks up to both Mac and Windows devices with just one USB-C cable. They come in 5 striking colors. At United Monitors, we're not fans of the usual cheap plastic, so we opted for an all-aluminum design. It's sleek, super thin, and features ultra-bright 1080p screens for optimal view anywhere you go. If you're searching for something more appealing than what's currently available, your search ends here. We've already wrapped up the development, tooling, and pre-series production. All we're missing is your support and user feedback. Let me explain to you how it all started. I've been so excited about them that I tried almost all the models that you can find on the market. Monitors are too small, too thick, too bulky, too heavy, too complicated. They made my work a lot easier, but I wasn't completely satisfied with any of them, so I thought maybe I wasn't the only one feeling that way. We aimed to eliminate all the frustrating things. The multiple bulky cables, springs or grips that can damage laptops, magnets or stickers that don't stay put, and the use of cheap injected plastic. We are United Monitors. We are definitely not the first, but we have done our best to make it as simple as possible.